Okay, so League is mad broken right now, so I am doing a voice recording of my amazing microphone voice. Hello, hello, hello. This is gonna disturb someone. Some of you guys, you know what I mean. Anyways, um, so I'll be fucking. I don't know what I'm gonna do, low key. Do I find a video to react to? Like, yeah, I'll do a typing test. Oh, dude, this is the most bullshit random thing that's gonna go on to my freaking YouTube channel. Okay. You guys ready to hear my rinky dinky keyboard? Okay. What am I doing, bro? Oh shit, I forgot I did it. Alright, sound good. Okay. Okay, that was a typing test. I still don't know what I'm doing. Uh, okay, I guess we. How about we content nuke someone? Fucking say some mad slurs, get myself fucking deleted off the face of this planet because cancel culture is a bitch. Oh, we should just talk about that. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's talk about why canceling people is a bitch move. Okay, okay. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I'm like beating a dead horse right now because I'm pretty sure someone said something about it. Um, fuck. I need to choose a. Okay. Taking its time to load. Okay. All right. Me getting the. Okay, me getting the munchies. Okay, let's talk about some cancel culture and it's how it's a bitch to society. Okay. Cancel culture is usually revolved about fucking usually is about a person or a thing that did something wrong in their past or did something wrong that in the present. For let's say cancel culture is a bitch, we can say something about one of my favorite artists is Joji. Joji got canceled. Almost got canceled by K-pop stans. K-pop stans that are probably white as fuck and can't off topic, no. Off topic, yeah, K-pop stans tried to fucking cancel Joji because he was Filthy Frank back like 3 years ago or some shit like that. One thing that's wrong though, there's no point in trying to cancel someone that has great music and try actually like fixed himself actually and like changed. Like there's no point in doing that. Like there's certain reasons why you would cancel someone that I would cancel someone too. Personally, I was all about Shane Dawson getting canceled. It was it was the greatest shit ever. And I also like do agree with like the what's it called? George Floyd incident, right? And I also agree that like how you shouldn't be like black shouldn't be like fucking what's it called, handled that way, and like, and the police shouldn't be like handling it this way, and like the government shouldn't be like fucking so racist toward black people. It's stuff like that I would cancel like automatically. Like for Sean Mendes, fuck am I saying? No, for Shane Dawson's incident about the blackface thing, about the fucking child fucking the shit about his cousin and it's all went downhill. Like that shit I could not that I could not fucking like that shit needed to be canceled. But shit like fucking Rich Brian and like fucking Joji, they don't need to be canceled. Like they aren't doing any harm to us right now on being on the internet, except the only thing that they're doing is making good music. Like that's like there's so many parts about cancel culture that shouldn't be a thing. Personally, cancel culture is a bitch. I do agree with that. I Canceling is just a way to like fucking abolish someone. Like how people are trying to abolish like the police. Like that's another thing too. Don't why are people trying to like abolish the police and shit like and doing it so violently? People say it's not violent if the like buildings are getting burned down even if there's no one in there. People that live around there are getting fucked. Like shout outs to what's it called, Sneeko. He made a video about this like recently and it talked about like and it gave us a perspective on like the people that are doing the riots and people that are around the riots that do believe that George Floyd shouldn't have been murdered, but at the same time, don't want to be with the protesters because they're all there with like picnic baskets, as Sneeko said, and all like burning down buildings that are around where they grew up with or where they live. You know, like that's the one thing. But back onto cancel culture. Yeah, cancel culture is really bad. Like drama in general sucks. Unless you're the fucking petty ass white girl at school trying to get into drama because they have nothing else to do with their lives. It's, you know, I have video games to play, bro. Fuck. This is why I'm making this fucking video. Like, hello, my game isn't working. But yeah. It's just a bitch, bro. Like don't like everyone's trying to cancel something nowadays. Like whether that be fucking a good reason or not a good reason. Like right now, I there's this one Minecraft person named A6D that I know. I don't know him personally. I used to watch him cuz I used to watch a lot of Minecraft videos when I was like I don't know when I used to play Minecraft. Fuck, I don't. Eh, like, he said some things about like retardation and stuff, and like how, and like he put a post about that. It's people got really heated over that. I wouldn't say it was canceling, but it was around like people would start canceling him for that, but they haven't started doing that yet. Good thing. It's I like I said, I hate cancel culture. And all the Twitter fucking shit posts on Reddit, Twitter about this shit. Like, it just sucks, bro. Like, drama in general sucks, but, like, the most cancerous part of it is cancel culture. Fucking, what a surprise. But, that's all I had to say about it. Like, cancel culture is around. It's gonna stick around. People love it, people hate it, doesn't fucking matter. As long as you're canceling the right people, that's fine. Canceling people is just abolishing people. It's just, you know, abolish the right people. Like Shane Dawson, that's a good one, bro. Like fucking that guy needed to be like fucking deleted off of the face of this planet, like in fucking Code Geass. If you all know that reference. Um, yeah. One more thing about like the George Floyd incident and how like about like racism and stuff. It just generally sucks how the police treated them. Like, personally, I'm Asian. Try to avoid conflicts because I'm a bitch pussy, and yeah. But like, it's not a laughing matter anymore, though. It was never a laughing matter, but people that like started doing looting and stuff, they always thought of it as like, oh, free money, ooga booga. I'm just gonna say I'm distributing fucking wealth when. Literally, it doesn't. Literally, no. Like fucking, you're not helping. You're not helping. Like okay, you're looting big businesses. I don't give a fuck about that. But you're also looting small businesses that actually fucking matter. That actually like trying to get some money for their family. You know. Like, that's the wrong part. Like, I don't give a fuck if you go to Target and say, yo, where's my Xbox at, though? You know? I don't care about that. Hold on, I don't care about that. I don't think anybody cares about Target getting fucking looted, nor Best Buy. It's distributing wealth, whatever. But like, you're also looting small pieces. That's not good. Like, looting in general just sucks, right? Like, there was someone at my school that looted. I don't know his name, nor do I give a fuck about his name. If I find his name, I'll say it. Whatever the fuck, he can get canceled too. Um, just like, people in general need to stop. Like, just stop. It's also a fucking pandemic, bro. Just stop. Holy shit. You don't need to abolish the police. I mean, one thing you should abolish the man that killed George Floyd, but you should also keep the fucking police under control. You know? Look, I'm not a political guy, nor do I wanna be. I'm basically this Asian guy that you see right here, eating a fucking onigiri roll. Okay, that's me. Okay, but right now, I'm going strictly off of my mind. One thing people should learn is cancel culture is a bitch. If you're a part of it, I hate you. Unless you're doing it for the right reasons, then you better fucking know those reasons, or else I'll get on your ass. And and all about this racism thing, I already explained it. Looting's bad. You know. Um, yeah, basically, that's it. Ugh. That good enough of a video? I'm guessing.